Let's learn how to schedule your post in Edmodo. You will be so thankful that you know this skill. It will save you time and it will help your students stay focused. In order to schedule a post in Edmodo, you need to be in a class that you yourself created. If you are a co-teacher, you won't have the option of scheduling posts. So let's pretend that we are here in a class that you made, and we're going to upload a file that we have in our computer. This is going to be a Bible lesson. Call to be different with activities and answers. So we'll upload that. And my instructions will be read the lesson and answer the following activity. That's the instructions for the class. And I want to label this very clearly. Bible. And then I'm going to say 10 a.m. And here at the very bottom, you'll see that there's attached files and image that we used earlier for add from library, the GIF. And here, the clock or the watch sign is your schedule post option. So you want to click on that. And we'll choose this for today. We'll pretend that it's today that we want to send the post, and we want it to go out at 10 a.m. this morning. So in just a few moments. Okay, so we're ready. We'll say post. It's not going to show up yet, but later on you will see that you have a scheduled post around here in this area. It takes time sometimes to show. So for now, we'll go ahead and do another post. We'll pretend that the next post that we want them to see is a video. So we first need to get the link from the video. And I'll share the link here, but I need to copy. Make sure that you copy before you leave that site. And then we'll click again on the share class materials. And we're going to say, watch the video and be ready for a quiz. And then we'll share the link. We'll save it. And the text will be, we'll just name it welcome. So I want to avoid being so close to the period there. Okay, now it's there. We'll schedule it. Let's schedule this one for 9:55 so that we actually see it get posted. Maybe 9:53 so that we won't have to stick around too long. 9:53. In just 2 minutes it should post. Save date and time, and we're going to post. Okay, it still hasn't shown there, but we'll keep going. We have one more to post. We're going to post something from YouTube, and I'm in my YouTube studio, but just so that you see how I do it, you choose the video that you want. And this one is about embedding, a Canvas session about using embeds. So I'll copy the link there, go back to the Edmodo, and I will click on the space there to share materials. And I will say, watch the video to learn how to embed links in Canva. Period. And I'll do that there. The link was clicked, and I'll say Canvas session. Embed links. Okay, so I'll save it. And I'll schedule this one for next week. We'll choose Monday. And let's choose for something different, 2 p.m. We'll save the date and time, and we'll post. It still has not shown anything here yet. We'll click on all posts loaded, just it won't click either. So let's refresh. Refresh na lang. Okay. As you can see, we have a scheduled post here. There's 4 that are scheduled. The last one we did was that Canva session, embed links, to go out next week at 2 p.m. And then the other one was this one here, the welcome, which should go out karon. It's already 9:54, so we should actually see that come out. And then another scheduled one is this one here, call to be different. And then the next one, duha ni kabo. That's fine, nadoble siya. Let's pretend that we want to edit something. Let's say that the call to be different activity and answers was either something that was a mistake, or you want to edit something. You can edit your post. You can change your instructions here. You can probably attach more files if you wanted to. You can actually delete the whole thing, or you can reschedule it for another time. You could change the time to whatever you wished. Or you could also decide to send it now. So if you click on this one, send it now, it will just go immediately and be posted. So you do have the opportunity to change if you change your mind. Okay, so let's refresh one more time, because we should see that our video that was supposed to go out at 9:53, it should have posted, and there it is. So it says here that it posted 2 minutes ago. Watch the video and be ready for a quiz. And so if I click on that, it's going to take me straight to the video, and I'll be able to watch it. Okay, so that's good. We'll close it. So you know that it works. Use this. This will be a great help to you. It will keep you organized. It will help your students also stay focused. They won't be overwhelmed when they see all of these videos that are for today, tomorrow, the next day, and for Friday. With this kind of setup, they will just see the videos come out at the time that they need to watch them. Okay, so enjoy this.